Learner. Welcome to this digital platform for learning. Here we will discuss role of shikimic acid pathway in synthesis of various secondary metabolite. First step, phosphoenol pyruvate which come from pentose pathway that will react with the erythrose 4 phosphate which come from the glycolysis. This will, by removal of pyrophosphate, will give DAHP. This is a 7-member structure. This further, in presence of NADH, with removal of pyrophosphate will give 3-dehydroquinic acid, which in turn, with removal of water molecule, give 3-dehydroshikimic acid. And this 3-dehydroshikimic acid further, in presence of NADPH, that will convert into NADP, will give shikimic acid. Shikimic acid further will produce shikimic acid 3-phosphate. This, in presence of phosphoenol pyruvate, by removal of pyrophosphate, will give 5-enoyl pyruvyl shikimic acid 3-phosphate. This is the intermediate which, in presence of flavin mononucleotide, will give co-racemic acid. This co-racemic acid is an important precursor for different secondary metabolites. This further will produce, by rearrangement, prephenic acid. Now this prephenic acid is also a precursor for different secondary metabolites. Now this is the general scheme of shikimic acid pathway. Now this shikimic acid pathway, the different intermediate that will be responsible for, or that will be useful as a precursor for the biosynthesis of secondary metabolites. So we will see one by one. This 3-dehydroshikimic acid, this will produce the hydrolyzable tannins, gallic acid and ellagic acid. Shikimic acid will be involved in biosynthesis of flavonoid. Now this flavonoid ring structure that will be prepared by the use of shikimic acid pathway, as well as the acetate malonate pathway, and acetate malonate pathway is also used for the biosynthesis of flavonoids. Next, co-racemic acid will further proceed to give anthranylic acid, which in turn will produce a amino acid tryptophan. This tryptophan is a precursor for indole alkaloid, auxin. It also forms tryptamine, and this tryptamine will get converted into serotonin. Also, this co-racemic acid will give phylloquinones. Prephenic acid, the one branch of prephenic acid will produce phenylalanine. This phenylalanine further produce pronacin, cinnamic acid and valine. This also produce lignins. Different lignins are prepared by phenylalanine. The second branch will give tyrosine. This tyrosine in turn will give dhurin, and from this tyrosine or from phenylalanine we can prepare the para-coumaric acid. This is a phenyl propanoid precursor. From that, different propanoid structure are prepared further. This tyrosine also produce tyramine, which is a precursor for isoquinoline alkaloid, and this tyrosine is also a precursor for cyanogenetic glycoside. So this is about the general scheme of shikimic acid pathway, and these are the different secondary metabolites or the precursor of secondary metabolites. From that, the different secondary metabolites which are medicinally important are synthesized by the plant.